Enroll for a weekend German course right now. Now only for €200 for 2 months and €400 for 4 months. Join our exciting course on Saturdays, starting from February 10, 2024. We provide interactive learning with modern methodologies and materials. Our experienced and certified teachers will help you quickly grasp German language. Study in a motivating environment with like-minded learners. A suitable schedule for the German language weekend course on Saturdays ensures that you can easily balance learning with your other commitments, making it ideal for busy individuals. Reserve your spot at the weekend course today and take the first step towards mastering German. Feel free to call us, send us an email, or use the register links in the description below.